What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 on deck, and it's finally happened, guys. We got Android 14 update on the unlocked Z Flip 5, so let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, YouTube, it's your boy BG Tech Life. We got the Z Flip 5 on deck, and I've been waiting a while because this device is unlocked. I have a Galaxy Z Fold from Verizon. It's got Android 14 a while ago, but just the day before yesterday, last in line, because now understand you got to unlock Samsung device, you last in line for updates behind carriers, which is insane. But I actually got Android 14, One UI 6.0. So you just take it to settings, guys, and I'm just going to show y'all what's going on. Software update. Now, you can go to settings, software update, download and install, or check for the software. If you don't have your Android 14 yet on your Z Flip 5, go ahead, try it now. Everybody should have it, but I'm just gonna go to the last update here, and as you can see, we got One UI version 6.0, and that is actually the November 1st security patch. So I didn't get this until December, so we definitely last in line. We still need a December security patch, but I'm just getting November security patch with Android 14 and One UI 6.0. Just taking a quick look in software information, and you go ahead and click on that, get your nice Android 14 animation. Now, as far as Android 14 go, guys, like I said, the One UI 6.0, I've already got it on my Z Fold 5, so I know a couple of the difference. A couple of things that's gonna be different is you definitely get in the photo editor. The layout is different on the photo editor now. The camera layout is a little bit different for camera and video. When you actually using the camera and video, you can change the resolution, and you can change the ratio, and also they have some like filters built in, like almost like a ND filter built in through the software for your camera. A big change you're gonna notice is the quick panel, guys. The quick panel, definitely the quick panel in the text. The quick panel is I like this quick panel. I like how big it is, how they got it laid out. You can get to everything. I like how they got the brightness there. They done put the eye comfort shield down with the brightness in the dark mode. I think that's very dope because that's something that a lot of people cut on. I know I cut on the eye comfort shield at night so you can get right to it. Just a really good and useful quick panel setting right here. This is a really nice looking layout for the quick panel setting. I really like this a lot. There are gonna be other small changes, like you could change your lock screen. You can move your lock screen clock around and move the size and things of that nature. But me, I really want to get to the underlying things because Android 14 did a lot for the pixels. So I want to see if anything in the background is actually going to do anything for the performance of this device, the way the smoothness, the fluidness of this device, and especially for the Z Flip 5, the battery life. Now, this is just a quick look at all the changes that happened with Android 14 One UI 6.0. I'll just read the topics and things of that nature. I'm not reading all of this. You can pause it and read it for yourself. I'll scroll through it slow. But we got changes in the quick panel. A lot of quick panel changes. We got a change in the lock screen, like I said. Home screen changes. A change in multitasking. The Samsung keyboard. Content sharing. Weather. Got a new widget. Camera also does have a new widget and, a new layout. Like I said, we got the gallery with the editor and things of that nature, or the photo editor right here. Whole new different layout on the photo editor. I did a video with the Z Fold 5 about that. Now we got studio. Instead of video editor, we got studio where you can edit videos. We got some changes in the video player, Samsung Health, the calendar, reminder, Samsung Internet, Smart Select, Bixby text to card. You know how the Google phones can answer the phone for you. They're doing that on Samsung now, but it's going to be ran through Bixby. And we got modes and routines, changes in that. Changes to smart selections or smart suggestions. Finder, my files changes, Samsung Pass, settings, accessibility changes. So just a lot of changes here, guys, in digital well-being. I like some of the changes to the UI, making things look a little bit better and things work a little bit better. But I'm all about, I want to see how does it change the performance, do it change the speed of the phone, the fluidity of the phone, the animations of the phone, And also I want to see, do it change the battery life? Because I feel like Android 14 brought performance gains and battery life gains to my Pixel 7a. I want to see what it does for my Z Flip 5 in the background. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. Stay tuned. We're going to really get into it. I'm out. Peace.